भी करो.
वेरी नाइस. ऐसे करके लिखो तब समझ में आएगा पप्पू है.
लाइट ऐसे भी अच्छा लग रहा है.
Bikini ping pong kini lo betul binis. Ping pong. Dini dah lo kayak combination. Hi everyone. Namaste, namaskar. Nice to have you back. And sorry for the technical glitch for which we had to do it again today, which is again a nice opportunity for us to meet you all and talk to you all and at the same time show you some beautiful products. So this is Meghali and she's Rupali.
Hello.
Namita will join us shortly. Can we just wait for a few minutes, maybe few seconds? Tunmahi, are you there?
Hi.
So I think we should start, है ना? Yesterday, like we have said, we had to stop our live because of the technical problem. People couldn't really see us. So today we start again, and it's a great opportunity. কিছু কিছু এমন জিনিস ছিল যেগুলো আমাদের দেখানোর ইচ্ছে ছিল, but we couldn't do it because of যা হলো. And then there was some request on Banarasi sarees of Tassar Banarasi as well as Katan Banarasi. Please wait and we'll show you. আমরা শুরু করব আগে ইয়ারিং থেকে, since we yesterday we discontinued there. Just tell me if it's not visible. These are all semi-precious stone. This is rose quartz with silver. The price is 4,250 and after 20%, 4,250 is the original price. After 20%, it's 3,400. These earrings can be worn for all occasions. In fact, আমি যে পরে আছি, I can wear with this, I can wear with a pink, I can wear with the white, I can wear with the black. Please take a screenshot. Actually, অনেকেরা কালকে আমাদেরকে মেসেজ করেছে, but the screenshots weren't there. So we request everyone to please take screenshots. This is another one which looks more traditional. I can open and show it also for better view. Now it's, I think, more visible. শুনতে না পেলে please tell us. This is 3,550. 3,550. 2,840 is the price after discount. Please keep taking screenshots. This is also a very transparent semi-precious stone. You can wear it with everything. Any Indian. Western also, but you have to be very choosy ki Western এর সঙ্গে এটা পরবেন, but with Indian it will look awesome. This is another one, again a silver. This is also rose quartz. Price is 4,200. And after discount it's 3,360, 3,360. These are like those daily wear earrings. Where people going to work or evening, যদি somebody doesn't, they want to wear something which is small, this is the right kind of earring. This is another silver. This is the antique color. I hope it's clear. Please take a picture. It's 2,600. Original price, and after discount, Alpana, 2,080. Just 2,080. This is my personal favorite. এটা আমার খুব পছন্দ, हमको बहुत पसंद है ये, क्योंकि ये है बहुत sweet, बहुत सुंदर. एनिमल किया हुआ है रेड एंड येलो से. इसका प्राइस, दिस इज 3,295, 3,295, and after discount it's 2,636, 2,636. Please take a screenshot. नेक्स्ट एक तुझे जिसको थोड़ा लंबा पसंद है, ये लंबा इयरिंग है बहुत. वेरी प्रिटी. इट्स गॉट गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर बोथ. गोल्ड माने वो तो सिल्वर के ही गोल्ड प्लेट किया हुआ है. Someone who likes to wear long earrings, this is the right choice for you. प्राइस है 6,100, and after discount 20% discount के बाद 4,880, 4,880. This will become 4,880. Another very smart. Look at this. खूब ही सुंदर होती है ये बहुत सुंदर है. स्टोन्स लगा हुआ है, सिल्वर है. I'm getting it so close so that you can take screenshot, and its screenshot is clear. The price tag 3,600. After discount, our original price tag 4,500 is the original price. And after discount it is 3,600. I think we have shown more or less whatever we wanted to show. আমাদের অনেক ওই আছে the collection. We have a huge collection. Only thing is how do we सब देखानो, सब दिखा नहीं सकते हैं. This is a nice, smart, sweet one, and इसका original price है 275. Just 2,750, 2,750, and discount के बाद 2,200, 2,200. Yeah, now we will start with saris, because people love to see our saris. তাই শাড়ি থেকে আবার শাড়ি শুরু করছি. These were the left ones from yesterday's collection. Is it clear? It's a jamewar sari. This is the pallu. ये पल्लू है. ये बॉडी में इसमें पिंक और रेड बेस है, पिंक से वीव किया हुआ है. If you can come closer, they can take a screenshot of the weave. Yeah, and the blouse is this one. It's plain blouse. This is how it's going to look. It's a very classy, elegant, a little different from the usual type.
Very, very, very beautiful saree.
Very beautiful saree.
Please do keep a screenshot.
Yeah, and price tag. 22,350. 17,880. 17,880. Yeah, 22,350 হচ্ছে ডিসকাউন্টের আগের প্রাইস. ডিসকাউন্ট से पहले 22,350 है. डिस्काउंट के बाद 17,880. So this is for all those who wanted to see more of Banarasi sarees.
It's a very good price because the very gorgeous saree, very good wedding saree, and you're getting it at a very good price.
जिसको ये देखना था तसर बनारसी, नाइस पिस्ता ग्रीन कलर विद ब्लू. ये ब्लाउज पीस है. ब्लाउज पीस में ये आएगा बॉर्डर. तसर है. प्लीज नोट दैट इट्स अ तसर साड़ी बिकॉज लॉट ऑफ पीपल हैड आस्क्ड अस फॉर मोर ऑफ तसर्स.
Very sober color, very beautiful, elegant and graceful. It's gorgeous as well as very sober. Price?
15,650. 15,650 will become 12,520.
12,520 after discount.
Huh?
There's a comment.
Comment.
Yeah. Where in Kolkata is your store? We are at 56A Raja Vasanta Rai Road. That's the address. If you want more detail, we'll definitely send it to you. Send us a message.
It's in Southern Avenue.
ये थोड़ा अलग कॉम्बिनेशन है. ये भी तसर है. प्लीज नोट दिस इज ऑल्सो तसर साड़ी विद एंटिक गोल बूटी. ब्लाउज का ये बॉर्डर ऐसा आएगा. ब्लाउज
This is the blouse piece and this is the saree.
very different combination.
Very, very beautiful saree, and it's a antique work. If you want to see the work. Price?
14,995. 14,995 before discount. डिस्काउंट के बाद 11,996. 11,996 after discount. Another Banarasi sari. बनारसी साड़ी में पिंक नहीं दिखाया तो क्या दिखाया?
बहुत ही वाइब्रेंट साड़ी है, जस्ट राइट फॉर वेडिंग्स.
इसका आप देखिए नीचे का बॉर्डर बड़ा है, ऊपर का बॉर्डर छोटा है. नीचे का बॉर्डर थोड़ा बड़ा है.
very vibrant, very attractive saree. Price?
इसका प्राइस टैग तो
It. It is 19,800. 19,800 before discount. After discount, it's 15,840. 15,840 after discount.
और एक पिंक कतान सिल्क में है ये. अभी तक हम लोग ने तसर दिखाया, ये फर्स्ट कतान सिल्क है.
Another very colorful saree.
ये पल्लू आप लोग ठीक तरह देखिए एक बार. पोल्का डॉट्स है.
Our body has polka dots. This is the border. Price.
26,750. 26,750 before discount. After discount, 21,400.
21,400 after discount. Please do keep a screenshot.
ये कलर बहुत लोगों को बहुत पसंद है. हम लोग को बहुत येलो कलर्स का वो आते हैं, कॉटन में भी आते हैं, सिल्क में भी आते हैं, हर मटेरियल में आते हैं. इनफैक्ट एक हम लोग ने उस दिन कॉटन सिल्क का किया था, उसका भी आया. Very comfortable, quite close to what I wore yesterday, and the price is 10,950. सब में ब्लाउज है.
Want to see the work from?
10,950 इसका प्राइस है बिफोर डिस्काउंट. आफ्टर डिस्काउंट 8,760. So you are actually getting a बनारसी साड़ी, a soft one, जो फूलेगा नहीं ज़्यादा, at 8,760.
It's a very beautiful color and a very comfortable.
Pink saree. Okay, the price of the earlier pink saree, we had shown two
That
pinks.
one.
One is
This
green
pink,
and
I
pink.
A2 pink to जिसे.
ये वाला है. इसका एक बार नाम तो बोलो.
और एक बार दिखाई देते हैं so that you can see if it's fine.
Do you have any other color of which saree?
Is this the one you're
Cotton
asking
silk.
for? Yeah, this one, no? Yeah.
इसका प्राइस
Price.
26,750 before discount. After discount, 21,400.
21,400 after discount.
ये भी कॉटन सिल्क है, थोड़ा अलग किस्म का कॉम्बिनेशन है. येलो है इसमें, लेकिन मस्टर्ड येलो. This is a pallu. I got sure. इसका ये पल्लू.
Pallu dikha this. If you can see the work here.
Blouse.
This is the blouse piece. ब्लाउज पीस में नीचे ऐसा वर्क है.
Some colors make you look, वो रंग जो है निखार के आते हैं. ये एक कलर है उसमें, येलो,
Beautiful color. It's a
मस्टर्ड.
different combination. Please do keep a screenshot.
This is 14,950. Just 14,000. कड़वा बूटी है, 14,950 है. इसका डिस्काउंट के बाद
11,960 after discount. 11,960.
Somebody had asked for a green and pink or red combination sari. This is specially for we don't remember actually किसने पूछा था, लेकिन ये उनके लिए है. Please take a screenshot. I don't remember her name, but she asked she wanted to see something in green and pink or green and red.
This is the pallu. Blouse piece है with border है. This is the border. Price
14,950 before discount.
11,960 after discount. 11,960 after discount.
और एक ग्रीन है, लोगों को ग्रीन कलर बहुत पसंद है, so we thought of showing few greens. ये कपड़ा बहुत सॉफ्ट है, it's a very soft silk, कटन सिल्क है, and the entire body is woven. If you can see, the entire body is woven. ये बॉर्डर
ब्लाउज पीस का बॉर्डर है ये.
Take a screenshot, please.
Very nice material. Very
Yeah,
soft.
it's a very soft cotton silk.
पहन के भी बहुत comfortable feel होगा.
इसका प्राइस 17,000 है. Before discount it is 17,000. After discount it is 13,600. So 17 comes down to 13,600 and it's a beautiful saree. ये और एक है करवा, ये भी करवा बनारसी साड़ी है.
बहुत सुंदर साड़ी है, बहुत सटल कलर है, लेकिन इतना सुंदर है इसका काम.
ये भी सेल्फ ओवन है. ये देखिए, ये भी सेल्फ ओवन है, उसके ऊपर बूटी है. फिर
एंड ब्लाउज पीस हैज अ ब्यूटिफुल वीव. ये है ब्लाउज पीस का वीव. और ये बॉडी का जो वीव है ये है. It's 22,350 before discount, 22,350, and after discount it's 17,880. After discount 17,880. Beautiful sari, very sober, elegant, बहुत ही सुंदर साड़ी है.
I think we have shown 10 to 12 Banarasi sarees. In case you like any one of them, please send pictures. If you want similar kind, please send pictures. We'll send similar pictures of the same type. And it's not possible to show everything. Ekhon amra will go to some nice Jamdani sari. This is a muslin Jamdani, matka muslin Jamdani sari.
Look at this, it's beautiful weave. Yes,
please keep giving your feedback, because unless we get your feedback, we don't know exactly, Hi to everyone. Where is Namita? She's here, right here.
Namita.
Namita, you should come here. So hi to everyone. There's a lot of new people we can see who have joined today. Hello Bibha Mahi, ki khobor?
This is 17,750 before discount. 17,750 before discount. After discount, it's 14,200. 14,200 after discount. 14,200.
This is one of our best selling. We have sold 5 of these sarees. एक मेरे पास है, एक मेरा मासी के पास है, बाकी 2 और किसी ने खरीदा है. This is the last piece that we have and I'm trying to get other colors. इसमें मिल नहीं रहा है. It's a beautiful, beautiful saree. ये masterpiece है. Beautiful tulips.
This is the pallu. It's beautiful.
This is 27,500. 27,500 और उसका price अभी 22,000. After discount, the price is 22,000. Please, if you are interested in seeing some nice, not muslin, cotton jamdani, write to us. Till then, we continue with the rest. Please write to us if you want to see some cotton jamdani. They are all over work. But Jodi, someone is interested to see. We'll show. They are all here laid in the table, on the table. Till then, we show some home furnishings.
Hi everyone. Hi Sharmishta. Yeah, some home furnishings are lined up and some beautiful kurtas also along with lovely dupattas. So all those who complain of not being able to go anywhere in the a place where you have to dress up in saris and all, we have lovely dupattas and kurtas waiting for you.
Table or single both?
This is a lovely tablecloth.
Actually, you can use it as a tablecloth or a single bed sheet because bed cover, because that is how we sell and that is how people love to buy. Size का ये है कि 60 by 90 है. So if you have
6-seater में आराम से आ जाएगा. 6-seater में आराम से आ जाएगा. This is a pure cotton and hand block print, and these look lovely. इसके ऊपर आप एक transparent plastic sheet बिछा के and you can use it अलग-अलग color के table covers, or you can use it as a single bed sheet also. Hey Moon, my favorite customer from UK. So we have colors in the same.
For the love of white, मुझे comment करना ही है हर चीज में, so I'll stand behind and do the rest.
Next. Is price.
Oh yes. Price is 1550 and after discount it becomes 20% less. So it's 1240 only. And the earlier one which we showed is the same price, Pappu?
925.
925. The earlier piece which we had shown is 925 only and after discount it becomes just 740.
740, it's a great buy.
Yes, absolutely. One more color.
Beautiful.
Lovely block print. Nice shade. 1550. It becomes 1240. After discount, after 20% discount, it becomes 1240. What else do we have in home furnishing? They're all single, na? So let me show you some more colors in single bed sheet or table cover. All these are in range of either 925. This one is 925, which becomes 700 something after 20% discount.
700 কত বলে দাও?
740. This also. It becomes 740. 925 is the original price. After 20% discount, it becomes 740.
Another one.
We will show that, Sharmishta. Just wait for a while. She wants to see the bags which are there. Those are all kilim bags. They are from Turkey, and these are luxury bags.
Pink or color.
It's also a table cover. 1550 price.
After discount, 1240.
1240 after 20% discount.
Somebody has asked for Lambani sarees also. Lambani sarees.
Okay, okay, okay.
WhatsApp में.
Okay. So Meghali has just told me that somebody is asking to see some Lambani saris. It's a beautiful, the work looks like Katha stitch. They come in beautiful vibrant colors. Pallavi?
Sadly, we have two colors left. দুটোই রং আছে না এখন? They sell like hot cakes.
The price for this is 11,250, and after 20% discount, it will become 9,000 only.
9,000 after discount.
There are only two colors left with us because these are hot selling saris. Lovely vibrant colors, cotton comfortable material.
This is a black and white one with very colorful pallu.
ये बंजारन साड़ी बोल सकते हैं आप लोग. बंजारा लोग बनाते हैं in Karnataka, and beautiful. The way they do the handwork is amazing.
This is also the same price of the earlier sari, 11,250, and after discount it had become
9,000.
9,000 only.
So I think someone wants to see Chanderi sarees.
Okay, let's show them some Chanderi saris also. We have lovely new collection of Chanderi saris. Chanderi saris are, you can wear them all the year around, and बहुत ही प्यारे अलग अलग colors में आते हैं. So we have some beautiful Bagru print Chanderi saris which have come recently.
These we can show.
Huh. And anything else also, if somebody wants to see, we can definitely show them. So till that time, let us show them some Chanderi saris. Bagru print on Chanderi saris really looks awesome because the material really suits this kind of print.
What's the price? 3,550 is the price before discount. After discounts, it's 2,840 after discount.
So some of these saris are, these are all cotton silks. Some of these saris are Chanderi and some of them are Maheshwari. You can call them cotton silks. Somebody calls them Maheshwari. थोड़ा सा कपड़े में इधर उधर होता है, but more or less the similar kind of cloth is there.
Some more.
See, like this is Maheshwari silk sari. This is lovely bagru print and goes with any kind of occasion.
Prices are very pocket friendly.
This is also 3550, 3550, which after discount becomes 2840. It's a beautiful, beautiful sari.
उसको खोल के उसको लगा के खोल के तब से दिन लगता है.
It's a very beautiful sari.
कोई नहीं बोले ना बोले रूपाली जरूर बोलती है.
It's really beautiful, very smart,
Comfortable, actually, very comfortable.
light to wear.
But the best thing is कहीं पे जाने से, especially people who are not used to wearing sarees, they keep thinking कि folds iron चले जाबे. But these sarees have
And the blouse pieces like this.
लाओ मैं पहन के दिखाते हैं वाला. This is a beautiful, beautiful sari. I am eyeing for a long time now, almost 2 weeks since we have received these saris. And see, these are all budget-friendly saris which look gorgeous. So beautiful. And it has a blouse piece also, if I'm not wrong. Let me check it out.
Yeah, पीछे ये वाला.
This is a blouse piece.
Yesterday we showed some hand woven chanderis. Today we are showing more of block printed.
So this is 2950 Chanderi sari, and after 20% discount it becomes just 2360.
Another very pretty saree. ये लगाओ.
Combination is different.
What is that color? Purple chocolate.
Yeah. Again a block print. Lovely combination of blue and this is purplish brown. A beautiful, beautiful sari.
ये है blouse.
Let me show them. This is the blouse piece. And the price is $3550. So after discount it becomes 2840 only.
Some of you wanted to see some. Please let us know if you want to see more of Chanderi, because we have a huge collection in florals as well as in woven. But अभी हम लोग आपको ये दोहर दिखाते हैं. ये दोहर बहुत जो सब लोग ही यूज़ करते हैं, बहुत comfortable है. Very nice to sleep actually. Very comfortable because it's soft. It's very soft. The other side is this. ये रिवर्सेबल है, दोनों साइड आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं. इस साइड करिए या उस साइड करिए, कुछ भी साइड आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं. All of these can be washed in the washing machine. It's not that आपको hand wash करना है. आराम से आप धोइए, आराम से use कीजिए. ये डबल है तो इसका प्राइस है 4,200, 3360, 3,360. Tasar Banarasi we have already shown. What you can do is can you just rewind the video and go to it, because we already showed some
10 to 12 Banarasi
10 to 12 Banarasi sarees. Can you leave the number with us, in our number 9330463762. इसमें आप समता भारती जी एक मैसेज भेज दीजिए, हम लोग आपको सब फोटो भेजेंगे वापस से. ये भी एक है, दिस इज अनदर दोहर, सॉरी उल्टा, दिस इज हाउ इट इज. The other side is a light green color, very light, if you can see. These are very comfortable. ये भी double है, इटाओ double ना? 4,100. This is 4,100. A discount के बाद 3,280. 3,280. Someone who likes bright colors as bed linen, ये उनके लिए है. ये बहुत ब्राइट है, येलो कलर है, उसमें ब्लू है, बहुत सारा कलर से बहुत सुंदर करके किया हुआ है. ये भी डबल है, इसका प्राइस है 4,100. 4,100 डिस्काउंट के बाद ये बन जाएगा 3,280. What dohas we showed are all double. We have single dohas also. Please send us a message if you like any one of them, or if you want to see more of single dohas. Number है 9330463762. 9330463762. Any other messages?
I think till the time you read the messages, we can show them some bags which they were asking.
Yes.
So this is the bag from Close Up. This is a shopping bag kind of look, but it's a luxury bag. It's called Kilim. This weave is called Kilim, and this bag is from Turkey. This is a genuine leather, and this bag comes with original from Turkey certificate. It's a good big size bag. I'll show you from inside. It's a beautiful, beautiful. And it has a chain pocket inside. So all these bags which you see in our store are from Turkey, and these are called Kilim weaves. The price range is around 11,240 for this big bag, and please do let us know if you like this kind of bags and material. This is also a similar size bag, another design in the same style. This bag is in range of 13,300. For all these bags, the discount extended will only be 10%. So after 10% discount, 13,300, which is the MRP for the price, will become 11,970. See this is a little bit medium size bag. This has a button open kind of arrangement, and the inside is same in the like the earlier bag, and there's a pocket chain also. And you can carry it like this. Very smart. Sharmishta, are you watching? Oh, you want to take one? Please do let us know which one do you want to take. And if you want, we can send you pictures also along with it. There's one more I want to show you. This is a little different style of bag. And this is how it looks. It's a two partition, a flap open, and two chains. One is a partition and one is a pocket. These all come with original from Turkey certificate. This is a genuine leather. This will be in price range of 8,920, which after 10% discount will become 8,920. 8,028. 8,000. It's another big one. This has a chain on top. And the inside is a lovely cloth. Nice one. And a pocket also inside. This is a decent size, this decent big shopping bag size. And it's all genuine leather. Did you like anything till now, Sharmishta? From the bags which we have shown you, we have some more of these, and we will definitely ask someone from our staff to assist you. Thank you for your interest. Now what we are showing next, we are showing some kurtas and dupattas.
Namita. ये नमिता खुद भी पहन के रखी है. She is herself wearing one. This is in-house made, and
Similar one like you.
Yeah, it is similar like the one which I am wearing.
It's got-
And let me tell you, this is designed by Rupali Di here. So she has designed it, and this is a in-house tailored nice kurta. Sharmishta will get back to you on the bag ones. Alpna, please take a note. First or second जो हम लोगों ने bag दिखाया था, please उनकी photos भेजो. She wants to take the first and second one. Nice Angrakha style design. I hope you can see the color also.
ये attraction ये भी है.
हाँ, इसमें side में लटकन है ये. And the price is 1,750. And is there any discount on this, Meghali?
No, not this one, because these are really less price. So we have not given discount on this. There are others which are on 40% off.
This is exactly like the one which I am wearing in a different color. And this kurta has pants also, straight pants. With pants, and the price is 2,300. It has a very nice fit. See, I am wearing one.
And we ensure to give pockets in all our kurtas, because pockets बिना ये daily use का kurtas काम नहीं आते हैं. So we try and give pockets in all of them.
This is another one with the pant set. Very smart one. छोटे छोटे sequins लगे हुए हैं यहाँ पे. And this is the pant for it. Straight pants हैं. साइड में पैंट्स की तरह ही एक डिजाइन है. And what is the price for this?
2,300.
2,300. No discount on this, because this is a fresh tailored, customized kurta and pants.
And you know, we never think, we thought of giving discount on this ever because they just sell. We put it and they go. बहुत फास्ट मूविंग है.
इन सब की हम लोगों ने स्ट्रेट कट रखा है, लिटिल ए एंड स्ट्रेट कट के बीच में, बिकॉज उसका सबसे ज्यादा फिटिंग अच्छा आता है एंड इट्स वेरी कंफर्टेबल ऑल्सो. 2300 for this also. Very smart one with the collar and pants. इन सब के साथ स्ट्रेट पैंट्स हैं. Most of the customers have given a feedback that please straight pants रखिए, तो we have अभी recently सारे ही straight pants हैं इनके साथ. 2300. Now let me show you this lovely kurta. It's a Chanderi material. 4,250 and you get how much discount on this?
40%.
40% discount on this kurta. So 40% discount will become 4,250. It will become 2,550. And I wanted to show you a beautiful Chanderi dupatta along with it. We have lot of Chanderi dupattas, so I thought कि आपको एक pair up करके दिखाया जाए. So you know कि उस तरह का look कैसा लगता है. And this dupatta is in price range of 1850, and it becomes after 20% discount, the dupatta becomes 1480 only. This is a Chanderi dupatta. मैं अलग से दिखा देती हूँ आपको. It's a block printed Chanderi dupatta. Similar combination. This is also a Chanderi kurta. Very nice cut. Little details on the neck here. 4,500 is the MRP, and after 40% discount, it becomes 2,700. And you can pair it up with some dupatta like this one. This is another Chanderi dupatta. And again the Chanderi dupatta is in price range of 1850, which after 20% discount becomes 1480.
Don't worry about the sizes. We try and meet to all the sizes that's you know that are available. This is a Chanderi kurta. If you can see the work, इसको पित्तन वर्क बोलते हैं राजस्थान में. वहाँ से बन के आया है ये. This is not in-house, and it's got a nice cut. ये पीछे आप देखिए, यहाँ पे आपको समझ में आएगा. इसका प्राइस 5,900.
You can pair it up with a Chanderi dupatta like this.
5,900 will become 3,540 after discount, after 40% discount.
Dupatta is 1850.
Dupatta is 1850 and वो 20% off के बाद dupattas are all same price. The Chanderis 1480. ये भी चंदेरी है. A yellow color, again a color that makes people happy. इसमें हम लोग ने ऐसे पेयर करके दुपट्टा दिखाने के लिए ये रखे हैं. Lot of people buy it like this, just to add more, value to the dress. ये पास से आप देखिए इसका ये पूरा काम है और आप दुपट्टा के साथ लेंगे तो ये this is how it is. और इसका प्राइस है, कुर्ता का प्राइस है 4,500. 4,500 will become 2,700. The kurta will just be 2,700 and then you can team with the dupatta which is
1490.
otherwise 14, yeah, after discount it's 14 something.
1480.
ये एक प्लेन कुर्ता है. ये इसको क्या बोलते हैं, कली ऐसे ऐसे किया हुआ प्लेन कुर्ता है. देखिए बेज कलर है. बेज कलर का फायदा है कि ये सबके साथ सब दुपट्टा इसके साथ चला जाता है. तो वी हैव ट्राइड एंड पेयर्ड पटोला दुपट्टा. ब्यूटीफुल पटोला. पटोला का ये खूबी है कि कौन सा उल्टा है आपको नहीं समझ में आएगा. ये और ये दोनों साइड एक है. द वीविंग इज सो मेटिकुलस. इट्स अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल दुपट्टा. देखिए ब्लैक में है. वी हैव फ्यू मोर ऑप्शंस इन दीज. और कुर्ता का प्राइस है 5,200 is the price of the kurta, which is a Chanderi silk. After discount it's 3,120. And the patola is 6,300. Patola 6,300 hai. After discount 5,040. Patolas are something that you can wear for generations. कभी खराब नहीं होता है because we all have these dupattas and I've been using it for many years now. ये आपने देखा मैं जो पहन के रखी हूँ इसको पिट्टन वर्क कहते हैं. इसमें काम है यहाँ पे भी, नीचे पैंट में भी. Similar kinds are these. It's got pant. इसका पैंट है ये सब कॉटन स्लब है. Cotton slubs are another variation of cotton which is very comfortable. You can see the material.
ये बहुत स्मार्ट लगता है पहन के.
बहुत स्मार्ट है. The one which I am wearing is very comfortable and it looks a little dressy क्योंकि ये काम है इसमें नीचे. आप here इसका प्राइस है 6,450. पूरा सेट का 6,450.
And this is not a straight pant, this is a palazzo.
Yeah, this is not a straight pant. 3,870. 3,870. Just 3,870
For this set.
and the work that's been done. Similar ये एक है. इसका एक अलग डिजाइन है. इसमें है काम. पीछे ऐसा है पूरा. ये भी पैंट के साथ आते हैं. पैंट में ऐसा किया हुआ है. And the work, the pittan work is mainly in the kurta. इसका प्राइस है 8,800. This is 8,800. These are little on the higher side because of the work that's been done. It's all hand work. इसको पित्तन बोलते हैं क्योंकि ये फिर करके उसको हथौड़ी से क्या बोलते हैं, हथौड़ी से पीट के बनाते हैं.
It becomes, after discount, it becomes 5,280.
5,280. There's one more color. We had a red one which I think red नहीं है ना, और sold out. ये एक है yellow. Another happy color. ये yellows are always in demand, so we tend to keep yellows in everything that we make, we get. ये पैंट में है काम, you can see, and कुर्ता में काम है. Sizes are not a problem, हाथ में भी ऐसा काम है. इसका प्राइस है 6,450. This one and the other one एक प्राइस सेम है almost. 3,870. 3,870. I'll show you the pant once. सबका pant ऐसे होंगे. It won't be a very narrow pant. These will be a little very comfortable. I am wearing one. It's very comfortable. I think more or less we have shown a winter dress. पूरा weave किया हुआ है नीचे तक. Please see the weave. These are woven in Assam.
Very good boots.
Yeah, you wear it with boots, nice shoes. Now 3,375, 3,375. 40% के बाद 2,025. Just 2,025. ये है और एक ड्रेस. इट इज़ अ ड्रेस. We'll tell you the price, but इसके साथ ये jacket है. So the jacket can be worn with, you can wear it with other things also. See the work. पूरा हाथ से बुना हुआ है. हाथ का काम है, even at the back. And the price is 6,300 and 40% will be 6,300. 3,780. This will be 3,780. It's a two-piece, a jacket and a dress. So ये आप summers में dress पहनिए, winters में इसको पहन लीजिए. So we have shown more or less, and there are 2-3 more options of kurtas and pant. ये है same price का 2,300. These are not on discount. Very comfortable to wear. ये कुर्ता है, इसका ये पैंट है. इसका प्राइस है 2,300. ये खाली कुर्ता है, जस्ट अ कुर्ता. एंड नेक लाइन में हम लोग ने हैंड वोवन कपड़े से इसमें थोड़ा जिस सीक्वेंस किया है, और थोड़ा क्या बोलते हैं वो जो भी है, मतलब 1750. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? पट्टी. हाँ, माई हिंदी सो बैड. वो जब बोलने के समय मुझे वर्ड नहीं दिमाग में आते हैं. So this is a very comfortable kurta. In fact, me and Namita most of the time we wear kurtas from our own store. This is another one for the love of white again. और इसका पैंट ये है. These are not on discounts because the prices are kept in that manner, and they just
sell off.
Yeah, we don't even have to think of giving discount. उससे पहले ही वो निकल जाते हैं. ये है, ये उसका पैंट है. So entire set is 2,300. I think आज के लिए we are done.
Yes. Thank you so much for being with us. इस वीडियो को जरूर से लाइक करिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ में शेयर कीजिएगा जरूर से. And please do leave your feedback so that we can show you some more interesting things.
Yeah, with your feedback, we it's easier for us as well as we improve every day. Thanks to you all and your feedback. जिसने नहीं दिया है, please दीजिए. और
we also have a website www.namek.in. So
অনেক সুন্দর পোশাক গুলো. Thank you so much, Mr. Deep. Thank you so much. আপনার সঙ্গে আমাদের স্টাফের কথা হয়েছে, আমরা জানি. We will definitely come back to you with the requirement that you have.
thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you. See you soon again.
Bye.
Bye everyone. Thank you so
Bye.
much.
Take care.
Take care. Bye.
Kurtis are excellent.
Thank you, Sharmishta. Bye.